Hello guys, I am Rashmi Patel and today I am here to share my learning experience with Unacademy and Vishal Verma sir. I am basically from Madhya Pradesh and I have started my journey from 2019 for NET. So at that time my colleague said that just follow the one thing, just go through with the previous papers and you can do the NET exam qualified. So I blindly followed them, but after 1 year, nothing that happened. Like, so I thought I have to change my strategy, and somewhere on TV uh, I saw that ad of Unacademy. So I thought that just download this app and search that what exactly is this. So I downloaded that and started to watch free. I started watching some free classes of some educators, but I was not sure to get the subscription or not. देन होता है ना, जब हम किसी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए सोचते हैं तो वी थॉट अ लॉट. सो मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ. आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अ लॉट कि इज़ इट फ्रूटफुल टू इन्वेस्ट इन एन अकेडमी और नॉट. Then I called some educator, but most of the educator not picked my call. Only Vishal Verma sir picked my call, and he guided me that how to operate it and how to watch the classes and how to get subscriptions. Then I started the journey with Unacademy and with Vishal Verma sir. He guided me a lot. He defined the all techniques from where you can analysis the syllabus and yourself ki from where where you are and from you start your journey of net. Then I followed his techniques and analyzed myself, and with the help of that techniques I started my studied and divide my study pattern into three category. In first category I have put that subject in which I am very good, and in second category I put that subject in which I am little bit of good, and in third category I am not able to recognize that even topics of that subjects. So to gain the confidence I have started with the subjects in which I am very good, so that slowly my confidence was built up. And I covered the first category in which I was good, and then jump into the second category in which I am little bit of good. So after they covered these two categories, I thought I completed the 70% of the course. Then after the third category, uh, then I followed the third category where I was lacking. Then I started more learning from the Vishal sir, their live classes, their MCQs. I started increasing the timing of my hours. So in this strategy, I have covered all the courses, maximum course. Then the learn MCQs and the concept. Basically, Vishal sir focused on the concept, which is the key to success. If you have the concept ready with you, then you can solve any MCQs which you have never seen earlier. So this is the technique of Vishal sir and the power of knowing the concepts. So with the help of these techniques, at the end in 2020, I have cleared my net, and it's totally because of Vishal sir's guidance. So here I am, very thankful to the sir, uh, just because he guide me a lot in each and every aspects. Even today I am doing my PhD and was writing a paper. In he always put it the material things that just do that things, then the quality will improve. So not only in net journey, he is with me in my PhD journey also, and he guided me a lot in each and every aspects of my career journey. So I want to thank Unacademy, as well as most importantly Vishal Verma sir, who guided me a lot, and still he is guiding me, and I want him to guide me a lot in my whole career. He is a person who achieve a very higher position in a very young age. It is very difficult for us to uh, came back from a small village, and nothing with us any material things or money, but still he fight for that, and he not even help himself, but through to the all student, he is available 24 by 7. Whatever the help you want from sir, he always uh, try to give that help to their students. So sir, it's very a pleasing journey, or a very enjoyable journey with you sir. I am very blessed to have you like as a teacher. Thank you so much, sir.